Did you know that a clean home can boost your mental health? Yes, it's true. The connection between mental health and cleanliness is more significant than we often realize. When we maintain a clean home, we foster a sense of order and control in our lives. This order and control can be a soothing antidote to the chaos and unpredictability of the world around us. But there's more. A clean home also provides us with a sense of familiarity and consistency. These are two crucial elements that help us to feel secure and grounded even during times of stress. And let's not forget about the physical act of cleaning itself. Engaging in cleaning activities triggers the release of endorphins, our body's natural, feel-good chemicals. These endorphins can help to lift our mood and make us feel more positive. So it's clear that a clean home is about more than just visual appeal. It has profound effects on our mental well-being. However, maintaining a clean home isn't always easy, especially for those struggling with mental health issues. Battling conditions such as anxiety, depression, or burnout can make the task of cleaning seem insurmountable. The chaos of clutter may feel overwhelming, and the thought of organizing can generate stress in itself. Yet, it's crucial to remember that it's not a battle to be fought alone. Professional help, be it a therapist or a cleaning service, can provide the support needed to overcome these challenges. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. Your mental health is worth it. Now you might be wondering, how can I keep my home clean and enjoy these benefits? Well, let's dive into some practical tips that can help you. First off, start with the most important room in your house. This could be your kitchen, your bedroom, or even your home office. By focusing on this area first, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment that will motivate you to tackle the rest of your home. Next, don't overwhelm yourself by trying to clean everything at once. Start small. Pick one area or task each day and dedicate some time to it. This could be as simple as organizing a drawer, dusting off a shelf, or vacuuming a room. Moreover, give everything in your home a designated place. This will not only make it easier to find things when you need them, but also make cleaning and maintaining order a breeze. When everything has a home, clutter becomes a thing of the past. Last but not least, set goals to keep yourself motivated. These could range from daily to weekly or even monthly cleaning tasks. Visualizing your progress can be a great motivator and helps keep you on track. With these tips, not only will you have a cleaner home, but you'll also experience the mental health benefits that come along with it. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've delved into the mental health benefits of maintaining a clean home. It's not just about order and control, but also about fostering familiarity, consistency, and focus. It even aids in emotional regulation. However, we've acknowledged that not everyone finds cleaning easy, especially those grappling with anxiety, depression, or burnout. That's why we've shared some practical cleaning tips, like starting with the most important room, starting small, and using goals as motivation. Remember, a clean home is more than just a tidy space, it's a step towards better mental health. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to cleaner, happier homes.